Yeah.
Hey, what are you watching?
Oh, that video we shot earlier is awesome, but it needs an edit.
Sounds like a job for Google Photos.
That's for photos? The clue is in the title?
Actually, Google Photos can help you store, edit and share your video content as well as your photos. Here, tap Edit, scroll across to crop, adjust and add filters, or even draw on the screen using the markup tool.
Oh wow, okay. Shame the footage is a bit shaky.
Try tapping the Stabilize button here to make your video a bit less shaky.
Okay, Smarty Pants, but how can I film videos that look better?
Well, next time, try Pixel Cinematic Pan, here.
Oh, very slick. Okay, so we need to put these videos together.
Go to the Library tab and tap on Utilities to create a new movie. Select your clips, hit Create, add background music, and you're done.